Hello fans of Lego and perhaps even Arctic and ice and stuff of that nature. Anyway, let's open up and build the Lego City Arctic Snowmobile set number 60032. Thank you very much for watching this building video. Be sure to check out this channel and subscribe to see more. If you enjoyed, please press like, and conversely, if you did not, please feel free to press the dislike button. If you want to follow us, we're at Legobricks Tweet on Twitter, and if you want to see more building videos, be sure to click on screen now or the link below.